Heart, I belong with you. You belong with me. You're my sweetheart. Okay. I know I'm not the only person that wants to make awful noises and gagging motions when you walk in, when you go out to dinner and then you get leftovers or you get to go and then you go into a store for a couple hours and you come out and the car smells like the food.
Star 98.3.
Just a rainy night, rainy Friday at Target. Did you have fun, House?
I did. I got clothing. It was a good thing.
The man that was checking us out at the cash register was very kind and accidentally pressed the wrong button and he had to print my receipt.
Give her a pen.
I got a new bracelet. It looks really cool. Anyway, so he had to give me my pen and I had to sign the receipt and he was like, and I didn't know what to do because he does this all day long. I don't. So he knows what's happening. I don't. And he's like, I'm like, oh, you need this? I'm trying to give him back like the bottom receipt. He's like, no, the pen! The pen! I was like, oh my gosh. And he didn't like look at me or anything. He just like eyes focused on the pen. And
I
was
thought
like,
he chuckled like kind of a creepy serial killer, like he was borderline losing his mind.
no, he was like, the pen!
The pen!
They account for the pens at the end of the night, lady. Anyway.
They do a pen count.
We had some big plans for tonight, but the rain
Ruined all of them.
Life, I would be your girl. Anyways, it's been so fun! That's the rain on my face. Okay.
That's divert.
No! No! I just can't stand smells that are not natural.
That was fake. Well, they have umbrellas. You look for umbrellas.
Oh, monkey's in the middle! I meant to get an umbrella!